If this is the first time you see me, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Abu Malik and this is my channel in which we provide explanations for making money from the internet. I want to tell you that you are lucky. In today's episode, of course, you will think that I am saying something big or exaggerated, but today I am coming to you whether you are an old follower or are new for the first time. You see, the channel has brought you a very easy website. You can work on it while you are going to university, you are going to work, you are sitting on the bed and you are watching TV. A very easy website. Easier than it. I will try as much as possible to bring you something like this, an easy website for us to have fun with. We can earn through it. We collect $3 from here, we collect from here $4, we collect from here $5. Together with this, you create good capital for yourself. I mean, as we agreed, the profit on free sites is not large. You, for example, do not use a strategy to earn from it in a day, for example, $10 to $20. This means that you are entertaining yourself by watching ads that earn. Amounts combined like this. With time, you will find yourself making good capital, meaning in an easy and simple way and without any exaggeration. If you work on the number of sites that we offer here on the channel, they are free and easy sites. You can raise a total in a month that is not less than $60. Some of you can. I think they will receive a small amount, but in terms of working on these sites or the ease of working on these sites and working on these sites, the amount is very large. Today, just because it won't be long for you, I will bring you a site that is easier than it. All that you will do, you will watch the video with me. God willing, it will not be a video. Completely long, follow what we are going to say today. Work for yourself, work for your children, your wife, your son. You do not know what to do. Live your life. I make free capital without any conditions for withdrawal, without deposits. You are in the business of doing some simple things and earning money without putting in any effort. Stay with us so that this site will not be long for you. What we are going to talk about today, and as you guys see, you can earn up to 4 cents from one click. 4 cents, a dollar from one click. Also, if you invite one of your friends, you can take 1 cent for each person you invite. Of course, the minimum withdrawal, guys, is 2 cents, so you can make them in less than a minute. There are no claims about something called UpJared account. I will explain it to you inside. You may not use it normally and it works for free. This is what we need. There is no invitation to say all that you will do after you click on the link. Go to the link and you will click on free sign up. Very excellent, guys. This page will open with you. Here you write your username, of course in English, here the email and password twice. You agreed to the policies you learn on the days of Android Note like this. You created your account on the site. Check your email so that a message will come to you to activate the account. You may or may not come after you log into the account. You will find you have the home page in this form. Here you find username and email, and you also find the payment methods that make it easy for you, if you are from anywhere, to withdraw your profits. You have Payeer, you have Perfect Money, and you have AlphaSod Pay. All three are available in the whole world. Even if there is no Payeer, you will find AlphaSod at any. It is very easy. And I will tell you how to withdraw your profits. Of course, underneath it shows your statistics and your work on the site. So what is the subject of the account page? This is what you told me about in the first place. Look at this, youth. If you want to do it, what do you want? That's it. This is the free job. You take the cost or profit of the click by a percentage, 100%. But if you made an abstract for the premium level, it remains 200%. For example, you do not want to earn 100% from the click, you will return to 200%. This next level, guys, it remains 300%. The fourth level is 400%, and so on until you reach the last level, which reaches 800%, meaning your profit increases. When you create a page for your account, this is due to a commission. I mean, for example, this premium level costs 15 zero coins. This means that you can actually collect these coins, and then you can see your account or withdraw them at your convenience. So see what you want to do, and do not withdraw this as your own. This is for the account page of each account. You don't think your account will have more profit here, of course. Withdrawals are withdrawn in 3 ways. Payback 800%, exchange. You are trying to transfer the balance from the main balance, which is the profit balance, to the purchase balance, which you, for example, want to see in your account. You can do this through the amount exchange or change the balance from the bad balance to the balance of this page. This is the account. This is the plan of the page. You have the view ads, the daily bonus, and the daily bonus. You have the daily bonus. This is something every day that you are afraid to click on. Of course, I did it. It didn't appear in front of me now. I finished doing it, so every day after 20 quarter, an hour will appear here like a click like this. When you click on it, you will receive your daily bonus. It can range from 1 to 60. This means that every day you enter, you will find that your bonus will increase. Your direct traveler will be the referrals that were registered through you and the profit that you received through referrals. You can shop from your link. If you have a website, you take the banners and go shopping with it to buy discounts. If you want to buy discounts, do not work. I will buy discounts and they will bring me profits. Of course, this is a no-no because their work does not cost much. I mean, as you can see, the discounts profit is 1 cent. So what do you do with it? Even if it does a lot of work, it is free for you to buy discounts. Withdrawing this money is better for her. Of course, this is an advertiser. If you want to make an advertisement, this is not ours. Let's go. Why is it so excellent? Guys, all your moments need you to work on the page, and of course these advertisements are renewed. You don't need anything more than that. I enlarged the page for you so you can see what the advertisement says. This is where I sit for 5 seconds. It takes 7 out of 10. Do this. The advertisement will play for 5 seconds as you see. You wait for the next 5 seconds. They finish. They bring you a picture. They tell you to choose the upside down picture, but they tell you to choose the upside down picture that this is. Okay, take your point. We will go back to this again and see the advertisement. Also wait 5 seconds. Same story. Windows is enough. What does it mean, guys? I mean, go ahead and open the page. Don't exit the page until this 5 seconds. I also choose the upside down picture. That's it. You take your account or take your prize. We close this and see an advertisement as well. I'm just trying to see such an advertisement with you to show you how the platform increased. It is also 5 seconds. It is a simple topic, as I told you. Of course, from the mobile phone or from the computer, there is no problem. Wait 2 seconds. I do not know what. Choose the inverted image. Thank you. You take your money or the 7 out of 10. Okay, let us go back to this and see, guys, our platform we are stepping on. That's it on my account. Nice, guys, 3.5 points. I had 1 and a little bit. Now I have 3.5 points. I took something. I took some seconds. Maybe I'm long because I'm explaining to you, but you will be afraid. Click for 5 seconds. Click for 5 seconds. It won't take you time. The topic is very, very, very easy. Small profits. Oh, simple profits. I'm not telling you that you will earn $30, $40, and $50, but in a month with this site and with the second site, I will tell you that it is the same site. You still have 2 sites. Finish this one, finish this one, finish this one, and finish this one. You will come out with a good profit in the month. Take it. This account is on a mobile phone, and this account is on another mobile phone. Take it, son of a job. Take it, my wife, I don't know. You are sitting, watching the series. Make a profit while you are sitting. We will change. Do not do anything. Do not say anything at all. The profit is simple. It is not. No one starts making a profit from the internet with $10 a day, $30 and $40 a day. You have to get a little tired. You have to take it easy on yourself a little, but the end will lead you to gain. Hey guys, the video ads again. The ads are very simple. They are all 5 seconds. Open the addy. Wait for these 5 seconds. Thank you. Choose the inverted image. We chose the inverted image. That's it. We took the prize. We go. Stay on this website so we can see the draw. Of course, the draw is done. You can give your phone to your son. Go, son. Work a little on this site. As you see, the issue is simple. Advertisements are an advertising exchange between sites, and you, the beneficiary in the end, say to you, here, you have 3 ways. Of course, Payeer, Perfect Tamani, and Faust Pay. Of course, you have a Stomate coin that is worth 1 or 10 cents. A Stomate coin is worth 10 cents. Of course, because you are still new to the site, the price of your clicks is low. The more you work, the more experience you have on the site, the more the price of your click will be. Above, the topic requires you to make a lot of clicks to work a lot on the site. A 6 ruble coin is worth 6 rubles. The ruble is a weak currency. I know, as you can see, 10 cents means $1 is worth 6,000 coins. This is a lot. No, it is not a lot. While I am talking to you, I will explain it to you in 2 minutes. 3 times, I took this 4 coins to work on the second site. By God. Now you will see in front of me what this site is. Guys, this is the site. This is the site. But the name is different. There is no difference from us. We have channeled it. All that is required of you is that you eyeball the second one and finish until it is added. Advertisements. On this, I don't need more from you than that. Same story, guys. I'm on this site. The same story. So no. These are projects I took how many coins? I took 5 coins. I took 1 coin. I took 10 coins. I took what I took here says wait 10 seconds instead of 5 seconds because of my profit from it. I'm forced to. Here I earned more. So finish this and go to this. Finish this and go to this. Add the advertisements or sites that I will leave to you in the description. Work on it. Solve this equation. 6 plus 1, 7 is fine. I took my Giza. Oh, guys, I took 1.40 from 1 click. Why? I'm here to wait 10 seconds. As I told you, the more it works, the more your click will cost. This is what I want to tell you in today's episode. I don't want to make it longer for you. An easy topic, a simple topic. All you need is to register on the site. In the video description, I will leave you the site link. This and the link to the other website are in the video description. You will be afraid and working on this account and you and your share and you and your work. You will see more coins, you will withdraw more, and as I told you, you can withdraw from the first 2 cents. It does not require any effort from you. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I will see you, God willing, in a new episode. Thank you, and may God's peace, mercy, and blessings be upon you.